In a universe of possibilities, we were there for the creation of a new standard. The maker world didn't start out of nowhere. It started with ideas, people, and tools, like the simple Arduino UNO. Now it's time to make a quantum leap forward and to add a new dimension to our world. Introducing the Arduino UNO R4, a 32-bit Arm Cortex M4 microprocessor offering more speed, memory connectors, and connectivity options than any other UNO before. The best prototyping and learning tool for anyone just got better, unlocking a whole new level of possibilities. Ready to explore the new dimension of making? Let the stars guide you.
All the work that we've done in the years before converges with the UNO.
UNO is a very important design. It's probably one of the most copied designs in the world.
Una roba incredibilmente hacker-friendly, bellissima.
The UNO R4 has definitely taken a leap forward to push new creative limits.
O Arduino UNO R4 ele é um passo gigantesco em relação ao anterior, né, que todo mundo ama.
Innanzitutto il cuoricino dietro saldato bombato è tipo bellissimo.
Sobre la nueva placa de Arduino UNO R4 WiFi podríamos destacar una infinidad de cosas super chulas que ya han sacado.
The UNO turned makers into innovators over 10 years ago. Now the UNO R4 brings more power to them and to you. Forget any memory limitations. The UNO R4 Minima allows you to bring past projects into the future and empower the electronics you already have with unprecedented computing performance and voltage range. And to do even more, connect your creations. It's easy with the UNO R4 Wi-Fi and Arduino Cloud. Plants can ask for more water. You can check your doorstep from miles away, and intelligent devices can talk to you only when needed. Choose the best UNO R4 for your next idea, starting at $20. Join us on this new journey into the future. Arduino UNO R4, the new dimension of making.